at Lowe's. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is Jordan. Jordan's looking at carpet. Oh my gosh. She's being a total dork. That's Danny and that's Karen. And that's carpet that Danny almost ran into and Jordan's doing the limbo.
Oh snap. Oh snap.
Where'd they go? Karen. Karen. Say hi.
Yo. Hi. I didn't get to say hi. Hi.
Jordan's being a showgirl. She just kicked herself. Firehouse. Hi.
Ew, it's pink.
Ooh, pink.
Jonas.
Look at her shirt. Oh yeah, they're so hot. Look at mine. Jordan's dancing. You're a total maniac.
The name's Buckman. Jordan Buckman.
I need to put this on YouTube.
Oh, I think you can record with this.
Duh.
Duh. Well, my mom.
Yeah, Jordan's so retarded.
Yeah. That's why I asked you to record. That's why I told you to record it. Oh.
Duh.
More than you. Jordan, people behind you. I'm good. Never mind.
Okay, you're saying you can do it.
You just saw
Yeah, you're like,
I was like this.
Jordan.
See that guy?
Jordan's totally doing the limbo, and she's so good at it.
Oh.
Unlike her friend Haley.
Okay,
Right here.
and now it's lower. Now it's lower. Oh, it's lower.
No. I'm gonna try to put this on YouTube.
Okay, do this.
That's Karen right there.
Alright.
She's gonna do it backward. Oh, forward. Never mind.
Go, Karen.
Ooh, here, well, you could do me.
Much
Do me.
taller, so it's much harder. See?
Okay, where? I did not see that.
Where'd you go?
Who? Your grandma?
Hey,
Your grandma's over there.
look
Oh my gosh, it's Danny. Oh my gosh. It's Karen.
Good.
OMG, it's Karen. Like Shaw.
No, wait, this one's really low.
Yeah, Jordan can do it. We're at Lowe's, looking at the carpet and doing limbos.
Oh,
Jordan.
race car track.
Race car track and little home.
I don't think Mommy knows that you can record on this. You can record video on it.
Oh, don't make it over 10 minutes because then you have to pay.
Are you serious?
Yeah, on YouTube if you do it over 10 minutes.
Are we ready?
No, Hi. How you doing?
That's Danny.